Guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to make colorful ice. I'm gonna use green for right now. Green, you can use whatever color you want, but I can't show you how to make all colors. So for now, I'm gonna use green. And now we're gonna see how it turns up to be. Like, just wait a sec, I gotta put my phone somewhere steady. Okay guys, so now we get this marker, and now you will see the color will change. The color will start changing any minute now. You guys can see? When it gets fully green. Oh no, the camera! We keep twirling. And when it gets done, I'll pause. And when it gets done, we can add whatever we want. Just wait. So I'm using a purple color. I'll chomp it first. So I'm using these rice here. So now we're gonna get it, and one by one we're gonna put it down. 1, and then 2, and then more. And then let's stir it. Let's use the green color to stir it now. Let's stir it. Oh my god, the water almost spilled. Stir it, stir it, stir it. You see those rice floating in there? We gotta separate them all. So that's why we're stirring it. Now we're done stirring. Oh my god, look at the marker. It's turning white. Oh man, I'm so sorry, marker. And now we got these. I don't know where the rice went. That's good. Now we're gonna put it in the freezer. So this water is going to the freezer now. And you can see how many rice is in there. And you can see what if the camera goes in there? So now we're gonna put it in the freezer. Oh my god, it looks pretty scary. Just wait for a second, it's about to... And so when that's done, now it's time to go wait for actually an hour or 2 hours, and we'll see next. Get it, you'll get the ice. We got the ice now. And now let's get the ice. This is how it looks all frozen.
Can I see my soul?
Check yours. And this is how it looks like. And now, you see how cool it is? And look, I put some things that we put. Now we're gonna put our finger. And now we push it hard. I don't want to actually break it, so let's use a color. Oh, I forgot. Well, just wait a second, I'll show you. So I figured it out, and we just have to just push it in and then shake like this, and then it will come out. Oh my god, it's slippery. Look at my hands, they're like sweating right now.
Oh, mine also came out as a straw.
Oh my god, my hands are freezing right now. Wait, I need to get some gloves. Just wait a second. We're going on adventures. We're going on a cute adventures. So guys, here's it. And let's show you the details. Check in the sun. Oh! My goodness! Oh my god, I was about to decide to throw it outside. Looks like it's going outside now. I can't believe I just wasted all my opportunity. And now I am getting my clothes wet.
Also, I'm doing mine. Wow.
No! Oh no, guys. Here's outside, and now let's
There's
film.
a nail.
Oh my god, you see?
Oh my little
Oh, yo, let's get this pink one. Yo, zoom in. Check that. See that? So now, let's go. So give me some ice. No, I need that. So guys, we still have one more pile to go. Look how crummy this looks. Just check it out. 3, 2, 1. So that was new actually. Well, let's just throw it inside. Oh, it melts. Okay. That was cool. So, but we wasted a right. Ta-da! Now let's break it. You see, this is how we make colorful ice. Time to squeeze it. And that's not breaking. Bye. See you next time. Hope you enjoyed. Bye. Bye.